Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my 2011 Audi A3 and I've got a key that's got a flat battery and won't open the car. As you can see, it won't open. So we're going to change the battery in that remote and fix that problem. So let's get into it. Alright, so what you need to solve this problem is a new battery, that's a CR2032 battery, and a small flat screwdriver. So we simply start by flipping the key out, like that, and then we look in here on the key fob and we can see on that inner side there's a small indentation. So we get our small screwdriver, place it in there, and we simply push. As you can see, the push of the screwdriver then opens the casing. And you can see the battery has popped out straight away. Just confirm it is a CR2032, and then we put the new battery in. As you can see there, we have a CR2032. And like that, the new battery is installed. So testing our remote with the new battery, we can see that clearly now the remote is working. So that's it folks, that's how to change the battery in your 2011 Audi A3 remote. If you've liked this video, as always, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, have a good evening.